I'm Charles from LOKI 3D Studio. I like motorcycles, I like cars, I like cats, and I like to make cool stuff. So this is my business, LOKI 3D Studio. We like to 3D print stuff. LOKI 3D Studio specializes in busts, masks, portraits, 3D filament paintings. We can also make keychains, maybe some parts for some motorcycles. We can make helmet hangers, phone holders for your bike. We can also make winglets for your bike. And so a little background on our history. We started last year in May, and then we just started growing, and now we started selling here. We like to make stuff for geeks, nerds, collectors, also some writers, maybe car enthusiasts. We like to make cute little fidgets too. So we have those cubes that you can flip around infinitely. We can also make a very sturdy helmet holder for you. We also like to make actual helmets, but you can't use them for riding. They're mainly for display and aesthetic purposes, maybe cosplaying. If you would like us to print something for you, we have an Instagram. You can find us by searching LOKI 3D Studio. We also have an email if you'd like to email us. We respond very quickly. If you want to see physical examples of our print, we are located in 1 Park Drive in LISP 1, Cabuyao, Laguna. But if you'd like to see some pictures instead, we also have Instagram and Facebook. You can find us there on LOKI 3D Studio. If you'd like us to commission a print, just send us a message. Once again, I'm Charles from LOKI 3D Studio for All About Wheels Manila.